The reason we came over here today, the main reason is I want to fly the drone and see what the view. We're going to see what the view is like, depending on how high up we go. Okay, we're over at the construction site. We were in hopes that today they were going to do some brickwork, some block work, but we didn't get blocks from one of the hardware stores in time. And we got them today, but by the time they got them unloaded and everything, and the guys showed up, they decided to wait until tomorrow.
It was too late.
It was just too late. Yeah. But what I wanted to show you are blocks here. Now, the one hardware store, we ordered several thousand, and they had trouble. They had trouble with their truck, and weren't gonna be able to bring any. Then I talked them into bringing me 500, and in the end they brought me 1,000. But then this other hardware store that I got these specialty blocks from, they call these a female block because you can split them and use two ends. Well, I had a little trouble with those people, because they said they'd bring them, and then for whatever reason they didn't bring them last night. They didn't bring them till later this morning because they had truck trouble, but didn't bother telling me about it. So anyway, that kind of created a problem. And we've had some leaks on our tank here, but we've got a full tank, it seems like. Should we give a little tour of the site, sweetie? Should we just get right down to flying the drone? The reason we came over here today, the main reason is I want to fly the drone and see what the view. We're going to see what the view is like, depending on how high up we go. So I want to do a view and do a circular view and do the different altitudes, just for the fun of it, and also so someday when our house is all built, we'll know what it's going to look like when we're sitting up on the second floor veranda looking out, or the third floor, or the fourth floor, or the fifth floor, or the sixth floor. Yeah? Sure, we're going all the way up. We're going all the way up. Yeah? Yeah, exactly. So we've had some goats over here today, and they've knocked some rocks in here. The goats love to come over here. And the rain hasn't really knocked much in, though. Doesn't look like.
But there's still plenty of stones.
Yeah, it's still okay. So I'm going to get the drone set up. Sand fleas are too tough.
Yeah, man, that should be the pants.
Well.
All right, let's do it.
Just do it? Okay. Well, we've had a crazy few days trying to get supplies in here, and we really wanted to have blocks laid today, but it didn't work out. So, but we're gonna probably have months where we don't do anything, so a day here and there, it's no big deal. When I'm done flying, I'm probably gonna go jump in the car real fast, because these sand fleas are crazy. I gotta let it initialize its settings. Now I gotta let it set its home point.
The home point has been updated.
There we go.
Check it on the map.
Home point has been updated. Check it on the map. That looks good. I'm just gonna start from right there, even though I know I've got to go up a few feet, So here we go. Okay, that's like maybe 1 foot above where the floor level is going to be. Okay, that's 12 feet altitude, 13 feet altitude. And we'll do a little circular view. Huh? Who should what?
Who should be on this?
You. You should be. You can film that. You can film me. Whatever you want to do. Well, I don't know why that thing is. I don't know where that thing was doing. Why is it going? Okay, I'm 17 feet up, which you basically be standing on the second floor.
That's the second floor there, yeah.
You basically be standing, that'd be where your eyeballs would be if you're standing on the second floor. Right there. Man, this must not be, oh, I know what's going on. It's not getting enough satellites to know where it's at, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna go up another floor. So you're gonna be standing on the upper deck. Huh? No, I went a little too high. Okay, that's about where your eyeballs would be when you're standing on the second floor, on the second, because, yeah. Let me go down just a little bit.
You can't see the ocean.
Right there, there we go.
Okay, you go into the ocean.
Whoops, I was hitting the wrong control there. So if you're sitting on the upper level, now's what you're gonna see. Wow, it's cool. Well, the car's tiny. I'm not even looking down at us. Okay, now let's go down, let's go up as if we have like a crow's nest on top of a gazebo that's on the top floor. So 2611.
That's so high.
No, I went too high. About there, maybe. Well, we can certainly see a long way, but I do not see any ocean from there. No. Even if we go down to the end of the house a little bit more. Yeah, let me just look out there. No, I don't see, you can't see the ocean, I don't think. Let me turn it a little further and see. No, now let's just go up and see how high you have to go to see them. Ah, damn it. Ooh, I just got bit. Okay, is that the ocean I'm seeing? Yeah, you can barely see the ocean at, let me go back down. Yeah, it is. You could maybe see you could see a ship on the horizon at that height right there, at 46. So you'd need a pole. You'd need to climb a pole on there. So that's not going to work. Yeah, we're not going to be able to see the ocean, folks. So it's kind of a bummer, but you know, that's the way it goes.
Landing.
Okay, I'm going to land it. Uh-oh, is it trying to... Okay. The automatic systems don't seem to be working very good right here. That thing is all over the place. Okay, so we're about to go run back to the car because these sand fleas are just eating us both alive.
So even if that tree cut down, it would help. This big tree here.
Huh?
That big tree.
Maybe. I don't think so. We'll see when we go. But that's a good point, because we can always go over there and cut it down. But I think we'd have to, you know, take a look and see how that would go. Let me stop the recording. Okay. We had to like run back to the car. The sand fleas are ready to take us back to somewhere where they take us back to their leader or something. It was just absolutely horrible. So we're back in the car now. You know, because this is maybe because of all the cane grass and everything, this tends to be more. And it's calm. It's very, very calm. It's been windy all day, and now it's calm, and so these sand fleas are out ready to get something to eat, I guess. So it was really miserable. They're biting on the arms. I've got pants on. Maizie didn't have pants on. I don't know how she could be out there as long as she was.
And they come in my face.
Yeah, they were attacking my face too and my arms. Just horrible. So we really wanted to make this video for you guys, you know, because yeah, but it was uncomfortable. So not the video the way we wanted to do it. We wanted to do it a little bit more relaxed and less hurried. So we do apologize that we didn't come over earlier. But honestly, earlier when the wind was blowing, the way that the drone did not want to hold its center very well. I'm not sure what was going on. If I noticed I only had like 12 satellites, and I know when I'm foreign, you know, I got way more than that, it seems like. So, in fact, I didn't even check, but that may be lower than what I should have even been flying. But I definitely struggled with that. But it's kind of neat to go up and see what it what the view will be looking from the different floors, and you guys will get to see that too, because I recorded it on the drone, and I recorded it on the camera, and on the phone, and then on this camera too. So we got all kinds of recording. We had 3 recordings going on at once. So, but you know, if we lived over here and it was a real calm evening and we wanted to sit outside, either we wouldn't sit outside or we need to just start a little fire. You see a lot of people will take dried brush and light it around their place.
If you go up on there, they like the second floor, so I don't.
Well, you know what? That's a good point. They're probably not as bad up there. Yeah. But you know, at first we're just going to have a first floor. We're just going to do what we can, and this is a pay-as-we-go kind of project. So we're getting a big start, but then things are going to slow down. But we'll keep you guys updated, you know, and keep showing you. And tomorrow we got a big day laying blocks. The head block layer, he said they're hoping to lay 1,500 blocks tomorrow. They're going to start bright and early and hope to do that many. So we'll see how that goes. But I'll come over and maybe I'll do a video on that too, for sure, because that'll be kind of exciting with that many people. It won't be like the 40 people that were working the other day, but it'll be nice, you know. So, but anyway, we're going to head back home. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear from you guys, so please sure and leave a comment. I read every one of them, and I try to comment and respond to every one of them, and share a little bit about a little bit more detail sometimes than what you see in the video. So be sure and do that. And for tonight, we're out, and let's see, we go like this, we go